So, welcome back to another edition of the Celtics Blew It. Sorry about that. Wrong show. This is Lunch at the Market, and I'm your host. The refs were atrocious. I mean, Rachel Kelly. I have to talk to whoever wrote the copy today. It looks like this got mixed up with an analysis of last night's embarrassing performance by the Celtics, where they tried to impersonate the Boston Bruins and be the only team in NBA history of 93 series that lost their going up 3-0. Well, enough of the mix-up. Onto the news that you need for stocks. We're looking at BBVA and STD today. We already acquired what we want, at least for now, and the banks offer huge dividends and have taken massive lumps. It does on a chart. It looks like people are accumulating shares with both banks trading around the $10 level. Hopefully, this is forming a nice new base of investors that will all be set to profit after the hubbub in Europe subsides. I know that sounds ludicrous to think about not talking about Greece and Spain and Italy and Ireland all day long, every day, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, but it will one day. These Spanish banks have been cut in half over this crisis, and BBVA trades with a 7.6 PE and a 5.32 forward PE, PEG of 0.86, and it has $27 a share in cash, and the stock trades for only $10.40, with a dividend of 6.6%. For STD has a dividend of 9% and trades with a P of 7.89. Both of these stocks are within 25 cents of each other, so you can take a shot at either one. Jerome Kramer did a great piece on them for Real Money and thinks that the worst case for them is Citigroup, like TARP takeover. But that's worst case. He thinks neither of them will disappear, as they both have terrific franchises in Latin America. Santander has Brazil, and BBVA has a great Mexican franchise. Both also have North American assets, and STD was on the hunt for an American bank to buy before this all broke the levee. We like both banks, and we think risking $10 on STD, you'd be risking $10 to make $7, and on BBVA, you'd be risking $10 to make $9. Take a look at these two Spanish banks if you haven't already, and they still look good to us. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you tomorrow.